We have a function that we have to find maxima and minima of. We will use two concepts. First, when the derivative of the function is 0, that is the point of either maxima or minima. To find which one it is, we find the double derivative. When the double derivative is positive, greater than 0, that is a minima point, and if it is negative, that is a maxima point. Let's start by finding the derivative. We have f prime x equals 3x squared minus 12. We'll start with this. Find where the derivative becomes 0. That should be your equation. The derivative becomes a 0 means 3x squared minus 12 becomes a 0. 3 is a common factor, so I divide both sides by 3. I have x squared minus 4 equals 0. That means x squared equals 4. So x equals square root of 4. X is either minus 2 or plus 2 because the square root of 4 is plus 2 and minus 2. And now these would be the points of either maxima or minima. We don't know which one is maxima and which one is minima, so we use double derivative. Now double derivative, the first derivative is 3x squared minus 12. When we do the derivative of that, we get 6x. And now we plug in minus 2 and plus 2 one at a time. Start with plugging minus 2. So I'm plugging minus 2 in the second derivative. And our goal is to find if the second derivative is positive or negative. When you plug in minus 2, since it's 6 times x, this would become 6 times minus 2, which is minus 12. And f prime of 2 would be 6 times 2, which is plus 12. Notice that this is a negative point, and we know that when the double derivative is negative, it's a maxima. So this means the maxima is happening at this value, x equals minus 2. And this is a positive value. The double derivative is positive, means there is a minima point happening at this point 2. So this means the minima is at x equals 2. And now to find the maximum value, we know that it's happening at x equals minus 2. So you plug in x equals minus 2 into the original equation right here. And whatever you get will be your maximum value. And to get the minimum, plug in this x equals 2 into this original equation again. Whatever you get would be your minima. Find out the maxima and minima by plugging in x equals minus 2 and plus 2, and comment your answer below.